Hello friends, welcome on our channel King Dot. It's all about law and chemistry. In previous video, we discussed the Sono-Goshara coupling reaction, and today we are going to discuss the examples of Sono-Goshara coupling reaction. So here are the examples of Sono-Goshara coupling reaction. First, see this halide as needed for the Sono-Goshara reaction. The aryl or alkyl halide, here is a aryl halide, and the terminal alkyne. Here is the terminal alkyne, and the reagent palladium, base, copper, and another essential reagents, and our product is alkyne. Here we just look on this Br and this H. We have to remove this Br and H and join this sp2 carbon to this sp carbon, and so this reaction is also called the sp2sp reaction. Sono-Goshara coupling reaction is also called sp2sp reaction. In another example also, this is a halide, there is X, and here is our terminal alkyne. Just look on that, consider on that. Here reagents are palladium, copper, base, there is a essential temperature and another reagents, and our product is internal alkyne. This is our product. In this example also, here is a big molecule, but we have to just concentrate on this halide and this terminal alkyne. We just join this sp2 carbon to this sp carbon, and here is our internal alkyne product. Here is next example. Here is also this halide and this terminal alkyne. We just join this to this, and here is our internal alkyne as a product. Here in previous video we discussed the cyclic mechanism of the Sono-Goshara coupling reaction. Here we are going to see the straight mechanism of the Sono-Goshara coupling reaction. Here is example. This is our terminal alkyne, this is our allyl halide, and these are our reagents. So let's look on the mechanism. First, we have this terminal alkyne. We write here this terminal alkyne, and in reagents we use the base. This is our base. We have to use this base for abstract this acidic hydrogen. This hydrogen is acidic because here are three triple bonds, and because of that triple bonds this hydrogen becomes more acidic, and this base abstract this hydrogen and on this carbon get negative charge. Here is copper first stage, and the next step is like this triple bond, this minus charge, and this copper attached with this is Cu plus. In next step we have aryl halide. We write here our aryl halide, and plus our main catalyst palladium in zero state. This palladium attack on this sp carbon and get joined with that carbon, and our next step is F, this PD which is joined here to sp carbon, PD2 palladium 2, and this Br remains. In next step this C minus attack on this palladium and the removal of Br, and in next step this is like this palladium remains, and this C triple bond C pH is attached here. In next step there is just rearrangement. This bond shifts here to this carbon and palladium remove. And finally here is our final product, that is internal alkyne. This carbon, this sp carbon attached to this sp2 carbon. Here is this sp carbon, this triple bond, and this pH. Here is our product as a internal alkyne. This is also another way to make or do a mechanism of Sono-Ghoshara coupling reactions. These are the some examples of this reaction. I hope so you like this video, you understand. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.